You said that CCP cannot wash its hands away. Yes. But the manner in which this is happening, and if this is the present situation that we are going to recarpet it and reopen it, what is your expectation, at least when we are going to reopen it now, if we probably survive the monsoon and the consequences of that?
I don't know. I find that, without planning, even we carpet it and reopen it and whatever we do, I think in the end, we are going to really destroy what is underground. That's what I think, and I hope not, but that's what we're going to get. In fact, let me give you an example. The other day, on the one day before the Republic Day, that is on the 25th of February, suddenly we had machines coming to Kampal and workers to start digging up the roads in Kampal. And that was for the sewerage network. So one thing, Kampal people are very united and they will just run onto the road if something happens. So people came out and said, what is happening? And then when we found out, they said they're going to do the sewerage network as they are doing in the city. But we said, no, you're not going to touch the roads unless you get us all the plans, the plan of the underground, whatever infrastructure we have underground, superimpose it on your sewage maps, and then we will allow you to dig the roads. Otherwise, we don't want you destroying our other infrastructure. Kampal doesn't get flooded as of now, and we don't want it to get flooded because our drains are pretty good. I'm not saying excellent, but they're pretty good. So we said, unless you get the plan. So we were told, I even told the mayor of the city that I'm stopping the works. He said, go ahead, stop the works. I told the smart city, I'm stopping the works. We're not that we don't want them to do the works, but we want them to do it in a planned way. So the engineer was told to bring all the plans the next day, that is the 27th. She came with the plans, but only the sewage plans without anything superimposed on it. We said, you do it, you put the drainage lines, the electrical lines, and the water pipelines, which are existing underground, and then we will allow you to start the work. So on Monday, all the machines and the workers moved away. There were no plans, and we didn't allow them to do it.
And have they come back?
They've not yet come back.
They've not yet come
back.
They're probably searching for the plans.
Probably.
Finally, Vasan, what is your expectation? ह्याच्यानं जाता आता जर परत कार्पेटिंग तर परत स्टार्ट झालंय. सो जर जाता जाल्यार तुमची अपेक्षा कितें क्विकली?
म्हाका एकूच भंय दिसता की रे हे G20च्या बोवाळान कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर पयलींच कशें काम करता. आय थिंक इंजिनियर्स इन पेनजीम नो बेटर. पूण ते G20च्या बोवाळान जर रस्ते कार्पेट करपाचे गडबडीन तांणी जर आशिल्लीं कामां कशी केली जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता आमकां येणाऱ्या टायमान आनी त्रास सोंसचे पडटले. कारण कार्पेट तरी ओके एक समजूंक जाता, पुणून ती कामां जी सिवरेज आसत पायपलायन अर्धकाची केले जाल्यार आमी सामकेच त्रासान पडटले. ते जावचे न्हय. आनी स्मार्ट सिटी हो शब्द लोकांक एक कितें तरी आतां सध्या भंय दिसूंक लागला. तो भंय न दिसपाक आमी कॉर्पोरेशनान वी शूड own up the responsibility आणि सगळ्यांक रेग्युलर मिटिंग्स घेऊन सिटीजन एंगेजमेंट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट.
You also believe that CCP should put its foot down.
100%.
फायनल कबीर आणि बरें सांगले, स्मार्ट सिटी ह्या शब्द ऐकून उमेद येवपा जाय. आता भंय दिसपा लागला. अशी जावची न्ही म्हणून what is your final quick take?
There is a total because of this uncertainty which is created, by this total haphazard planning and faulty execution. I'll give you just one example. Along this, the road has been now done, but about 6, 8, 10 months back, the Bal Bhavan road, it was closed. The Bal Bhavan closed the fire brigade. They one night they make a trench. They totally almost island of like some 200, 250 residents. They were not even aware that there are people living over there. Twice in that same they have broken the water pipelines. Now, what we have said even in the start, you consult people from that area, or you get a senior person who is well versed with the drainage of that area. Just don't go without a single plan and break. By breaking, you're creating a lot of hardships for the people.
For no reason.
For no reason at all. People want a good development. People are asking for a good this thing with these utilities and all in ducts and whatever. It's very welcome. It's futuristic. But what I'm saying is, when you're doing that, also take into this of the people. Now, ambulances have not been able to reach Kampal Clinic. I am personally witness to this. When I have taken somebody to the hospital, who will take responsibility for that? There should be some coordination between the departments.